Just create your project, create your sequence, and now just drag and drop one, two, or all the logo files into your essential graphic panel. If you don't have this, go to Window, Essential Graphic here, hit that to open it up. For example, I want to use, for example, this infographic. For this, if you are using a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, don't change sequence setting. Don't do that, but now I'm gonna change it. Zoom it a little bit further. Click on that to open the setting. Oh, it's open. Here a group that called text. Here, open it, and you have the text. Type your text and change. Here, this text. Close it. Now you can change the colors. So, and move on, play around the color to find what you want. Here you can decrease the background opacity if you want to use it on some photos or some videos. You can use the opacity of the background, and here the numbers. It's the main number. You can change it. So simple. And it's the number of the avatars here. You can change the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each of them is 10%. You can calculate that with your mind. For example, 75, I put it on 7, 40% I put it on 4. Here the position controllers, the text, you can change the text position, the number position, and the overall position of the sequence, and the overall size. Remember, you cannot change the resolution. You can just make it bigger or make it smaller in this aspect ratio, in 16 by 9 aspect ratio. You cannot change this aspect ratio. Now let's try a callout. Choose one of them. For example, this one. Drag and drop it. Hit it to open the edit panel. Here the text folder. You can type your text. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the font. You can change the styles. All the options you have. Leave that. Let's move on to change the colors. For the text, I'm gonna leave it white. For the shape, I'm gonna choose some orange or with yellow a bit. It's better. And for this I'm going with gray one. Here the slider for the percent with the number and the shape change automatically. Here the position of the text, we can change it, and here the points, point 1, point 2, point 3, it's point 1, point 2, point 3. We can change the position of the point. For example, we can make it like that, point 3, something like that, I don't know. And the overall position of the callout and the overall size of the callout, we can change them. Now for the time duration control, it's simple, just drag the start or the end, no difference. Drag and move it, and you can change the time. It does not affect the animation speed, it just make it longer or make it short, and that's it.